In front of me is ALCATEL freebie, and let me show you how to manage text-to-speech feature on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select System, go to Language and Input, then scroll down to the bottom of the list, and here you've got text-to-speech output. And over here you can pick the language, so you can use either system language or pick one from the following list. And a bit lower you have speech rate and pitch, so you can smoothly change it by tapping on the scale. Let me show you, for example, this option.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
And you can change the pitch.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
And let me also change the speech rate.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
And you can do and personalize it as only you want to.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
I will leave it this way. And obviously you can also change the language, so let me pick, for example, French, and make it a bit slower.
Voici un échantillon de synthèse vocale en français.
And this is it. So this is how you can personalize text-to-speech output. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.